All right, so I'm gonna do a breakdown of. Hold on. I'm gonna do a breakdown of the trades that I got into um last night, or one of the trades I got into last night. I'm not gonna really break down the other one. So it was NZDUSD, and I'm gonna break down how I got into it. I got into some shorts at around like 8:30 or so. What is that? 8 o'clock? I think so. 8:30 or so. So starting off on a monthly time frame to get my overall bias, not even my overall bias, just to add confluence to the trade. As you can see on the monthly time frame, we've been bearish since 2014. So we're in a downtrend on a monthly time frame. We're trading below the EMA. The last few months have been making lower lows and lower highs. Like this high is lower than this high, or this high is lower than this high, and this low is lower than this low, and this low is lower than this low. Like we're making lower lows and lower highs for the past few months. Um, Weekly time frame more the same. We're in an overall downtrend, trading below this EMA. Daily, same thing. Downtrend, making lower lows and lower highs, trading below the EMA. And what's weird about NZDUSD as a whole is the dollar is super weak right now. Um, like overall, let me see. Like since Trump took office, the dollar has just been melting. We're down. Let's see. It's down 10% from when Trump took office. So yeah, I think we're probably just gonna start having this retracement, but that's besides the point. Um, and I say that's weird because like the dollar is performing horribly, and against the New Zealand dollar is performing pretty good or decent. But daily time frame downtrend below 50 EMA, lower lows, lower highs. We just made a lower low. After a lower low, you make a lower high. So my goal is to find or anticipate where the next lower high will be, and then get in to try to catch the move to the downside for the lower low. So boom, what is this? Okay, I got a feel, so we might start. I don't know. But so my goal is to catch the lower high, or anticipate the lower high and catch the lower low. So where can we have that lower high? Probably at this level of interest, 0.57500, which is a psychological number. Probably at this previous week high, this previous previous month low. So this general area is where I'm anticipating for sellers to step back into the market, right? So on a 4-hour time frame, we're in a downtrend below the EMA. We created this lower high, then we made a low, then we made equal highs, creating this double top. So once we got here is where I started to scale in or scale down, go to lower time frames and anticipate entry. So I see multiple rejections at this level. And then once we had this bearish engulfing, I got in. I did send this signal to my group. Let me see. I did send it in my group at 8:30, and that's exactly when I got into this trade. Around 8:30. But yeah. So there's that. Oh no! Don't open it. Fuck his friends. Come on, bro. Don't do all this extra shit. Quit, bro. Alright, boom. But yeah, I sent it, and it hit for a 2.5. I mean, a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward. So cool little trade. I was anticipating for it to, come all the way down to the previous week low and catch the liquidity down here, but it did not do that. If I ended up holding, I would have probably got stopped out at break even. I probably would have got stopped out at break even. Luckily, I stayed to my plan and got out where I said I was gonna get out, and it paid out. But yeah, decent little trade. I also took a trade on GBP USD. It didn't pan out how I wanted to. It hit my TP1. Then it came back and stopped me out. And it's probably finna still head down. It is what it is. Part of the game. But yeah, that's it. Shout out NZDUSD. Made me a bag this morning. Woke up to some money. That's always good. But yeah.